7 to the 6 before, and we can pass right through St. Louis, the Gateway Arch. I've always wanted to see the Gateway Arch.
I've always wanted to see Nashville. We could be there in a day if we just turned around.
Well, young Joe didn't go to Nashville. He went to Denver.
You're not sure of that?
Well, you waited 16 years to see Nashville. You can wait long enough for us to find Nathaniel's daddy.
We're not changing our course, are we?
Nope. Just getting some tips from a navigator.
Oh. Where are we exactly?
Ouch, watch it.
Tennessee plates, wouldn't you know it?
Hon,
Yeah?
finish up for me. Be back in a minute.
Anyone else has to use the restroom? It's now or never.
Well, I hope it's not never.
Excuse me, Father. Reverend. Name's Russell Green. I hope you don't mind, but I got a question for you.
Well, actually, I'm running late.
You believe in angels?
I beg your pardon.
One of them visited me.
Oh.
We were on a bus together. God sent her. She took up a collection for me.
Oh, a collection.
I hadn't even told my wife about this. She'd think I was crazy.
Imagine.
But I have got to talk to somebody about this. Now, the angel told me if I got on the interstate by Friday that I would find somebody that I could do some good for. Well, I've been on the road for a while now. I hadn't seen so much as a flat tire. How am I supposed to tell who needs me and who doesn't? Maybe you need me.
Here, take it. All of it.
I don't want your money. I'm offering myself to you.
Excuse me.
Frustrating when people don't want your help, isn't it? In my line of work, it's a constant problem. But you'll learn how to deal with it.
You came back.
Follow-up visit, but don't worry, it's a rarity.
What am I supposed to do with this?
Keep it.
But it's not mine.
Oh, I'm sure you'll put it to good use.
Doing what? Now, you sent me out here. Tell me where to go.
I didn't send you out here. I helped you realize a dream. The rest is up to you. Man chooses his path and God directs his steps. Now, where do you want to go?
Denver, I guess. We heard my brother might be headed that way. If there's one person on this earth I'd like to help most, it'd be him.
Then by all means, go to Denver.
Is that where Joe is?
I have no idea, but even if I did, telling you would be too easy.
Your problem with easy?
You know the answer to that.
How do I get in touch with you?
Why would you want to get in touch with me when the one that you need is already with you night and day?
All right, just tell me one thing.
Who are you talking to?
You see somebody here?
My name is Russell Green. Maybe you passed me and my family out on the highway. Maybe you were driving some fancy sports car or an old beat-up four-door. Or maybe you've had some hard times like us and you're out on the road with your house hitched up behind you and America the Beautiful up ahead. But whoever you are, you be sure to give us a wave next time you drive by, because we're your neighbors and we're all on the road together.
What you looking for?
Oh, I don't know. A little brooch, kind of. Oh, I'll find it.
Well, you want me to help?
Oh, sure.
What does it look like?
You'll recognize it when you see it.
Nathaniel, hot dog buns are in the trailer. Grab them for me, would you?
Well, why isn't Josh helping?
Josh is in the trailer doing his homework.
Everybody pitches in around here. Go on.
When I was with my dad, we had room service.
Didn't think your daddy could afford room service.
He was rich. He could afford anything.
This place remind you of anything? That stand of trees, the picnic benches, the stream. Home, the road to Williamsburg.
Viewpoint Park.
Remember our first anniversary, that camping trip we took there?
I don't think we exactly meant to go camping.
I don't think we exactly did go camping.
Living out of a trailer. 3 kids and my mother. Think it's gonna put a cramp in our style?
Better not. Oh, I like that Russell Green. Been a long time since I've seen it. Russell, a motel? Why are we stopping here?
Because the sign said vacancy.
A room? A room with a real bed?
The real shower?
And TV? They've got TV? Oh, I hope they have cable.
Can we afford this?
Once in a while, we have to. You go see what they got.
Oh, I'm coming with you.
Honey, are you all right?
Oh, darn it. No, I'm not. I just can't bottle it up anymore. I knew it was stupid to carry it around in my purse. Back home, I had a safe place for it. I've lost Joe's Purple Heart. Please, please don't tell Russell.
Those are for paying customers only, young man.
Well, paying customers are what we'd like to become. Give you a hand with those?
No children under 6, no pets, no booze. Each room has 2 queens, tub shower, and a TV. $24.95 plus tax.
Do you have HBO?
We'll take 2 rooms adjoining.
And where are you coming from, Mr. Green?
North Carolina, by way of Chicory Creek, Kentucky.
Oh, what a coincidence. Just last week we had a man come through here from North Carolina by way of Chicory Creek. He was named Green, too. Joseph Green.
My dad?
Well, Joe's my brother, his father.
I don't do business with a thief, or the brother of a thief, or the son of a thief. So you can just turn right around and head out that door.
Joe, a thief?
He spent 7 nights here, wrote me a check. The check bounced. Now my checks are bouncing. He cost me a pretty penny.
My dad doesn't steal. He's a spy.
Go out to the car. Go on. I'm sorry about my brother. He's a vet. He's had some rough times.
Just take a look around this place. The curtain rods are falling down, the front porch is rotting away, the toilets won't flush, the sinks leak. This place is an embarrassment, but there's nothing that I can do about it because of thieves and freeloaders like Mr. Joseph Green from Chicory Creek, Kentucky.
I will pay cash for the rooms. Cash doesn't bounce.
I don't want your cash. I want to see your taillights heading down the road.
According to the map, there's not another hotel for 80 miles.
Great. What'd you expect us to do? Pay Uncle Joe's bill? It's not our fault if he can't balance his own checkbook.
He hasn't got a checkbook to balance. Must be using an old one. Bank closed his account years ago.
If he came through here last week, at least we know we're on the right road.
I didn't raise my son to be a common criminal.
That's not what he is. He's a secret agent for the government. He can do what he wants.
Right, and you buy all that.
Stupidity.
That's enough. Both of you.
Want me to knock their heads together?
No thanks, Mama. Nathaniel, your daddy told you it was all right not to pay motel bills?
Sometimes.
And restaurant meals, did you skip out on those too?
We had a secret code. Dine and dash.
What about shoplifting?
Is it bad?
Oh, all right.
What are you doing? Where are you going? There's nothing back there.
Daddy?
School's in session.
And Nathaniel's in the front row.
What are you doing?
Are you out of your mind?
This porch is about to collapse from the rot.
It's about to collapse because of your crowbar. I'm calling the police. You are a menace.
I can't fix your porch from jail, but I can fix it. There's a lot needs fixing around here. And a family debt to repay. With your permission, I'd like to keep going.
Fine. Work off the debt if you want. I'm still not giving you a room.
I haven't done so much camping out since I was in the USO.
You always did look inviting in a sleeping bag. You know, sooner or later, this weather's gonna turn. There's gonna be 6 of us sleeping in that little trailer.
We'll make it work.
Lights out, Mama.
Okay.
What's gotten into her? First it was a car, and now it's a trailer. She took everything out of there, then she just put it back. You have any idea what's going on?
Actually, more interested in finding out what's going on with you. Something happened on that trip to New York. Something you're not telling me.
Yeah, I suppose it did. I was on the bus coming back home. I did some thinking. I had a lot of time for that. I was feeling pretty sorry for myself. Had a lot of time for that, too. And I did a fair amount of praying. That's something I'm not used to. Definitely not something I'm used to admitting. And then I saw how blessed I was. Poor but blessed. A wonderful family. Magnificent country. Great kisser for a wife.
That's it. End of story.
Feel like putting on a show. So much for romance. Morning.
You started early.
Well, ought to be able to save most of your porch.
Hope you know what you're doing, Mr. Green.
Yeah. I spent a few years in construction. I picked up a few things.
I'm keeping my eye on you, on all of you. I don't know what you and your family are after here, but you're obviously after something.
How was my brother? When he came through here, how's he doing? He look okay?
He was in fine form, Mr. Green. Smooth as they come.
Unprepared for George Washington's
Attack. The British soldiers were unprepared for George Washington's attack. So you can learn all kinds of interesting things reading books.
You'd learn them faster watching TV. What kind of guns are these?
Muskets. They could fire only one shot at a time, and you had to fill the barrel with gunpowder. Do you know what the barrel is?
Mm-hmm. Barrel, stock, bayonet, trigger. My dad had an M16A1 with a select fire switch and a semi-automatic 45 caliber sidearm. Didn't Uncle Russell when he was in Vietnam?
I don't know what kind of weapon Russell carried.
My dad said his M16 was his best friend in the whole world.
You can go play now, after you put your books away, all right? He's 2 grade levels behind where he should be.
I know what Mama lost. I know what she's looking for. Don't tell her, okay? I have to let this play out a little.
Don't stop.
I was just fooling around.
It's more than I could ever do. You from around here?
No, just passing through.
Me too. I'm on my way back home to Memphis. But my mother has another one of her sick headaches, so it looks like we're gonna be stuck here for a couple days. Shame, isn't it? Can I get you to scratch my back? I got a mosquito bite right in the middle. I can't seem to reach it for the life of me. Well, what are you gonna do? Make me wait until it goes away? Down. Down. Right there. Oh, yeah. Oh, it feels good. Thank you. I love a man who knows how to scratch and itch. You don't say much, do you?
Well...
That's okay. I like the quiet type. Do you want to go out tonight?
Yes.
Hope you don't mind my asking, but I'm a very forward girl. I'm in room 4. Come and get me.
Children aren't allowed in here.
Why not?
Motel policy.
Oh, well, it's okay. I'm not a child. I had a collage once of all my friends. It took up half my bedroom wall, but we had to leave it behind. It was too big to bring with us.
I've been meaning to get rid of that for years.
Who are they?
See, this is exactly why I don't like children in here. They ask too many questions and they nose around where they don't belong.
They don't look like family members, and all the pictures were taken in front of the motel. Customers, right?
I had this silly notion once. Turning this into a little bed and breakfast. That was back in 1975 when I took my last picture.
Was 1975 when you stopped liking people?
1975 was when one of the customers stole my camera.
You collect stuff, don't you? I do too.
What kind of stuff do you collect?
I call it memories. My grandma calls it clutter.
0-2 pitch. And it's swung away. Deep to center field. Cody goes back and gets it in the warning.
For children under 6, no pets, no booze. This room has 2 queens, a shower tub, TV, $24.95 plus tax.
Open up. Where's the key? How'd you get it?
Found it. You're not gonna tell on me, are you?
No. And you're not gonna tell on me. Come on, give me the key. Thanks for the room key. See you when the hot water runs out. Yeah, shower.
Be careful you don't get any drips on the sidewalk.
The only drip around here is you.
Put too much effort into this porch to give it a bad paint job. It's gonna look just fine.
Got another brush? Can I help?
Say, Dinah, I'm getting rid of a few things. I thought you might like to see if there's anything that interests you.
Go ahead. It's okay. But Dinah, a few things.
Mama, did you ever get that trailer put together?
Yeah. Took it apart again, too. But I'll get it cleaned up this afternoon.
You're gonna have to quit doing that. And you're gonna have to stop worrying about that metal so much.
You told him?
It belongs somewhere else right now, trust me.
It belongs next to yours. I should have given it to you to keep.
If you feel that bad about it, finish the porch.
Poor thing. It must be awful being dragged from town to town.
Are you kidding? It's great. We get to go all over the country. Yellowstone, the White House, even Alaska if we want. And my mom's a school teacher, so we can keep up on our studies. You keep even more stuff than I do.
Well, that's the point. It's time I got rid of some of it.
Look at this. You're gonna get rid of this?
Silly thing. Rhinestones. I'll never wear this in my lifetime. It was my mother's.
Then you have to keep it.
I guess you're right.
Your yearbook? You're giving away your yearbook?
I haven't opened that in 30 years. I don't keep in touch with my classmates.
Oh. Dear Lily. Is that what they called you? I'll never forget the nights we spent by the riverbank and those lone...
That's private.
But you're giving it to me.
No, I'm not.
Hold
popped up at First Thrift Bank of Little Rock. Cool. I love old newspaper articles.
Sorry, you can't have that either. Sentimental value. I didn't realize that that was in there.
Sentimental value, an article, and a holdup? Marilyn Monroe.
Do you know who she is?
Well, my mom has told me about her, but I haven't seen any of her movies.
You must. She was the magnificent little blossom everybody wanted to touch and own and display. I used to keep every article I could find on her. Then one day I just threw them all away. This one must have slipped through the cracks. You can keep it.
You can't give away the last of your collection.
Oh, it makes me sad every time I look at her. You'll be doing me a favor. Motel. Yes, we do. It's $24.95 a night. No children under 6, no pets, no liquor. Yeah. Yeah, that's about 8 miles from the interstate. Okay. We'll be watching for you. Bye-bye.
I was afraid I was gonna go my whole vacation without playing with a boy.
Don't you think we're moving just a little too fast?
Honey, we're not moving at all. I knew I shouldn't have told my daddy where I was. He'll be down here every half hour with some excuse or another. You're not Daddy.
Yes, I am.
Dad, hey. Nothing happened, honest, I swear.
Almost nothing.
Somehow I get the funny feeling that was about to change. You're just kids, you gotta be careful. One moment of passion and bam, your life takes a big left turn. Say goodnight to each other. I'm gonna have to look at that thing all week.
Nathaniel told you we were here, didn't he?
No, I saw lights on, you two rolling around here on the bed. What does Nathaniel have to do with this?
He had a key.
So, instead of doing the right thing and returning it, you decided to take advantage of it. What kind of an example are you setting for him?
All of a sudden, he's my responsibility? I didn't ask for another family member.
Neither did I, but we got one. And we're gonna love him and teach him and help him every way we can.
You love him. I don't want anything to do with him.
We're doing the right thing.
Let's see. Keeping our family together. Following a dream. Discovering America.
So far, this dream isn't exactly a major success.
Josh is furious with me. I'm furious with him. Nathaniel's furious with the world. You and I can't even make love.
Sure we can.
You are beautiful. You are wonderful. You are everything a boy like me could want. I want to take you out. I want to hold your hand. I want to be the one you dream about at night.
Mr. Green, you've done enough. You've more than paid your brother's debt.
Good.
Oh, you can stop now. The debt's taken care of.
Still a lot of work to be done.
But I can't afford to pay you.
Can you afford to pay anybody?
No.
So it's us or nobody.
I vote for us.
I've said a lot of goodbyes from this porch. Isn't this beautiful? Nobody has ever done anything like this for me before. I thought the world had run out of good people.
I have to tell you something. Yesterday, I got into one of your rooms.
Room 6. Don't give it another thought. Somebody broke into my office, and I intend to find out who. Dinah, please, my gun, I want it back. You have no idea what it means to me.
You're what?
Someone stole my gun, and she's the only one that's been in there.
No, I didn't. I wouldn't. I didn't even know you had one.
Are you sure you didn't just misplace it?
No. I have a special spot for it in my drawer, next to the room keys.
Where's Nathaniel? He had a room key yesterday.
I just saw him a few minutes ago. He was headed for the field.
Stay with your grandma.
I'll take up by the road.
Why does that gun mean so much? You said I had no idea what it meant to you. It has something to do with the article, doesn't it? The one about the bank robbery.
Very handsome. Delbert Lofton. Handsome? Doesn't begin to describe him. Funny, strong, dangerous. Papa didn't like him. Papa was vice president of the First Thrift Bank of Little Rock, Arkansas. He warned me that Delbert was no good. The day we eloped, Delbert made a detour to the bank. He said that he wanted to do the honorable thing and leave a note for Papa. The only note that he delivered was to the teller, demanding money. And Delbert walked out of Father's bank with $3,000. Our dowry, he called it. I didn't learn until later that he shot a guard in the leg.
You just let him get away with it?
I was frightened and in love. We drove till it was dark and checked into a motel. This motel. He gave me his gun and he said he wanted me to keep it for him. He said he'd be back in a week when the excitement settled down. Delbert never came back and I never left.
Well, why on earth didn't you just go home? You didn't rob the bank.
No, but Papa did. He told the police that Delbert took $10,000, not $3,000. And Papa kept the difference. He didn't get away with it. Delbert held up the bank and Papa went to jail. My fiancé and my father. And I couldn't trust either of them. That gun is the sum of my life. It changed everything. You can see why I need to get it back, can't you?
You don't need to get it back. You need to let it go.
Oh, Nathaniel, where are you?
Daniel!
Daniel!
Daniel! Daniel, where are you?
Nathaniel!
Oh, no.
Daniel!
Anything happened to that little boy? Don't even think it.
Well, I guess you got something to tell me, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
See that cloud up there? I shot it.
Why would you want to do a thing like that? You know, some people think that angels live on clouds.
My daddy said there's no such thing as angels.
Yeah, your daddy's wrong. 'Cause I have an idea one of them was keeping an eye on you today.
I'm in trouble, Arnold.
Oh, you better believe it. But we can talk about that later. Can I see the gun?
Not mine.
Good, good. You're a little young to own a .38. You know what the problem with these things is? Make everything too easy. People get the feeling that they can solve all their problems if they can just go out and shoot something.
I thought you loved guns. Daddy said you taught him how to shoot.
Yeah, I did. And when you're ready, I'll teach you too. But guns aren't something you love. They're something you respect. You know, I've only known you a few days, but you remind me a lot of Joe.
I do?
The good parts. Big laugh, smart. You miss him, don't you?
Yeah.
Imagine you're pretty mad at him, too. Taking you to Chicory Creek, leaving you with an uncle you never even met. Walking out of your life. Your daddy loves you, Nathaniel. That's why he left you. He's got a war raging inside of him, and he's just got to go off and fight it for a while.
Shut up! I don't want to hear anymore. I wish he was dead. I hate him.
Yeah, so do I. I do. I want to wring his neck. And I want to throw my arms around him and never let go. Because I love him even more than I hate him. Kills me to think of what he's going through right now. Kills me to think that I can't make it better. You can't make it better. Even he can't make it better.
I don't know what to do.
Come here. You see, that's why we need each other. You're the closest thing I've got to having my brother back. And I'm the closest thing you've got to having your daddy. Will you help me, Nathaniel? You know what you could do for me? Well, you could find that medal that your grandma lost. Nah, it's around somewhere. And when you find it, you stick it way down deep in your pocket and don't show it to anybody else.
Keep it?
For a while, yeah. That's what your daddy would want, I just know that. And when you're feeling sad, you pull it out and you look at it, and you remember that your father was a real, live hero. The Congress of the United States of America said so. All right?
Maybe me and Grandma, I could share it with Grandma. If I find it.
Well, that's a good idea. When you're ready. I think we should go show everybody you're alive.
They don't care. I can't blame them.
Let's go anyhow.
You right there, Nathaniel?
Nathaniel, how you been?
Oh, we were worried about you.
Oh, there's Hattie.
Come on, buddy. All right.
Some things are meant to be. I know you were meant.
I make a pretty good cup of coffee. You can come down to the office in the morning and I'll fix you a cup. Oh, you'll need to heat up the bottle. You can use my kitchen. Ah, here we are.
I want to take you out. I want to hold your hands. You are my dream.